Even in the middle of this pandemic and all the warnings advising against traveling, today, one of the busiest travel days of the year. 5 News reporter Tiffany Lee is at XNA with precautions the airport is taking to keep travelers safe.
Here at XNA, they're expecting to see thousands of passengers come through over the next few days, which is the most they've seen in a while. But because we are in the middle of a pandemic, they say that things are going to be looking a little different for travelers. The changes start as soon as you park your car at the airport because the shuttle is temporarily suspended to help keep multiple people from gathering in small areas. But it doesn't stop there. Alex English with XNA tells us once you get into the airport, typically crowded areas like security and flight gates will be socially distanced.
We have markers on the floor. All of our passengers, all of our staff, everyone that you see in the airport will be wearing a face covering.
According to English, the airport is disinfected multiple times a day and hand sanitizer is easily accessible. But not only will people be flying, they'll be driving to grandma's as well. So Melody Daniel with Emergency Management says when making pit stops, don't forget the 3 W's.
Wear your mask, wash your hands, and watch your distance.
Their steps Joel Tumlinson with the ADH says are very important at all times, traveling or not. But when it comes to traveling, with the rising number of cases, Tumlinson says as a doctor he does not recommend it and suggests that people stay home. But because he understands that people will travel for Thanksgiving, the Arkansas Department of Health suggests rethinking how you do your holiday celebration.
Let's have the gathering outside where you can spread out more. 2, the ventilation is better. 3, everyone should be wearing their masks, even if they're outside, right? Because we're mixing with people that aren't in our same household. So keep those masks on, except while eating, like Secretary Romero said, and space out.
The ADH tells me that they are expecting an uptick in cases because of holiday travel. And so to do your part to help combat the COVID cases, they recommend quarantining for at least 7 days after your holiday celebration. In Highville, covering news where you live, Tiffany Lee, 5 News.
All right, Tiffany, thanks. The Department of Health says they have enough COVID-19 tests in case there is a massive rise in cases in the state, and there is an increased need for those testing kits.